Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick review of the LG 75-inch 8K QNED Mini LED TV. I bought this guy a couple of weeks ago. It comes in a massive box. I'm telling you, it's big. You do need two people to help unpack it and especially put it all onto your cabinet. Fortunately for me, I had my daughter to help me out. The box serves two purposes. It protects the TV very, very well. And then secondly, when you're actually building the TV and mounting the stand, you basically use the foam that's surrounded in the TV in the box as a base to place the TV down and then place the stand. And then you do need two people to lift the TV up and put it on the cabinet. And then in a couple of days, I'm going to give you a review of both TVs next to each other. As I said, my previous LG 4K UHD OLED TV versus my new 8K one, and we're going to use GT7 to help us compare the picture.
A bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy.